Looking for a secure messaging app and stuck between Threema and Session? Let me help you decide which offers better privacy. Today we are comparing two privacy focused messaging apps that put security above convenience. Both Threema and Session offer end to end encryption, anonymous sign up, and no phone number requirements. They prioritize keeping your conversations private from both hackers and the companies themselves. Threema is a Swiss based paid app with a focus on corporate and individual security. It uses proprietary encryption audited by external experts and stores minimal metadata. The app requires a one time purchase but then operates without subscription fees. Session is an Australian based free messenger built on Signal protocol modifications. It removes the phone number requirement entirely and routes messages through decentralized nodes. The project is open source and funded by a cryptocurrency foundation. The biggest difference is business model and infrastructure. Thema is a traditional company selling a product for profit. Session is a decentralized project with no central servers trying to eliminate metadata collection entirely. For features, Thema offers polls, file sharing, and group management with clear ownership. Session provides anonymous accounts with no identifiers and onion routed messages. Both work across mobile and desktop with synchronized messages. Pricing differs significantly. Threema costs around $5 as a one time purchase with no recurring fees. Session is completely free to use with development funded by its associated blockchain project. So, which suits you? If you want a polished, company backed secure messenger with clear accountability, Threema delivers. If you prefer maximum anonymity with no central points of failure, Session aligns better with extreme privacy needs. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more privacy app comparisons. See you next time.